Martha, stop! It's not funny!
Change your bra, Mom.
Calm down, Sandra.
I dropped my bra. Ow! It's got arteries! Look at this! It's got arteries! Get a picture! You killed him! You killed him! You killed him! You killed him! He was innocent! Yeah! You killed him!
She doesn't like those?
I'm not touching him with a grenade! Jesus! Let's go get
Sandra! What's Sandra?
We're gonna find him.
He's right there on the ground.
Where is he?
He's right there.
Wait.
Right there. He's still alive.
Like oh, come on!
Look.
I need him! He's like barely alive.
He's barely alive.
Here, let me see.
No!
No.
No!